I'm sure you must have heard of the phrase, push yourself because no one is going to do it for you. Our complaining minds always go looking for excuses. But for those who go looking for opportunities and not excuses, they make history. It does not matter whether you're rich or poor, you have enough experience or not. But if your dreams are big, your hopes should also be high. Hi, I'm Namita. Welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel, and today I have got you a success story of Indian entrepreneur who at one point in his life did not have enough money to eat. But today, with his sheer determination, he has went on to become the king of breakfast. Meet PC Mustafa, the CEO and co-founding of the company ID Fresh Food. PC Mustafa lived in a remote village called Chennalod in Vayana district in Kerala. His mother never went to the school and his father worked as a coolie in coffee plantation. Due to the meager wages of his father, Mustafa decided to help his father after school hours, and he helped his father and he started working as coolie. At the age of 10, Mustafa used to walk 10 kilometers and get chocolates at wholesale and sell the same thing in retails. This is how he developed his entrepreneurial skills. But due to workload, he could not give his 100% in studies, and subsequently he failed in his 6th standard. But this failure did not deter him, and you know what? He topped in his class 10 board examination. After a lot of struggle and hard work, Mustafa did his engineering in NIT and he got a great job in MNC company. He got a lot of opportunities and worked for many MNC companies based in Middle East and also Europe. Back then, he was all well settled. But there was something that did not satisfy Mustafa. And then he decided to come back to India and create a lot of opportunities for the smart kids. After coming back to India, Mustafa pursued his IIM in Bangalore. During the course of time, Mustafa and his cousins spent hours discussing about the prospective business ideas. Back then, it was a common sight to see idli dosa batter being sold in unhygienic plastic cover sealed with rubber band. Back then, no one actually cared about the quality of the product. This is when Mustafa came up with the idea of starting idli dosa batter venture that we today know it as ID Fresh Food. The aim of the business was to provide hygienic food to the people, and they only focused on the quality of the product. Mustafa and his cousin started the business back in December 2005 with the initial investment of rupees 25,000 only, with 550 square feet space, which had grinder, mixer, sealing machine, waiting machine, and a second-hand scooter which helped them for delivery. Initially, the company produced only 10 packets per day, and it took them 9 long months to sell 100 packets per day. Today, the company supplies packed healthy food to millions of Indians. The business has expanded to many metro cities like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Mumbai, and it also exports globally. The success of ID Fresh Food is not just limited to idli and dosa batter. The company also provides varieties of food packets like ready-to-make vada, ready-to-make parothas, then you have instant coffees, you have wheat and oat dosas, etc. Today, the company's turnover is about rupees 500 crore. The secret behind Mustafa's ID Fresh Food is that it supplies ready-to-make packaged food at home. Ready-to-make packaged food actually helped a lot of people, especially during the pandemic when people could not go out and eat outside when hotels were closed. During the pandemic, this actually helped a lot of people. The other important prospect of the product is that the batter is completely free from preservatives, artificial flavors and chemicals. The company also explored something called predictive algorithm. So what is predictive algorithm? How does this work? So basically, the company studied or analyzed consumer demand based in that particular area. So suppose there are 10 particular areas where demands are high or there's no demand. Then the company analyzed how much of products are being sold or it's not sold. How much of products can be stored in a one-day basis. So based on these consumer demand and behavior, the company produced and supplied only that much amount of packets required in that particular area. The policy of the company is that they can stay understocked but not overstocked. This means that if a customer comes and buys the product and if it does not get, it's okay. That's not an issue. They can go empty-handed, but they should not buy a substandard product. And today, because of this quality assurance to the people, ID Fresh Food has become one of the trusted products in India. The other policy the company adopted is that if the product is worth, the price is always right. I'll give you the example of what marketing strategy the company adopted. So what they did is they kept batter packets in a shell in each societies and they left it up to the consumers to give how much amount they're willing to give. It may be 1 rupees, 2 rupees. But later on, as they liked the product, the consumers started giving the full amount of the product. So what is the successful marketing strategies or successful marketing ideas that we take away from this story? That is, they have a very attractive marketing style, attractive packaging, they analyze the consumer behavior and consumer demand, and lastly and most importantly, understanding of focusing on the quality of the product. So like Mustafa, there are many great people having great business ideas, but there are only less people who can execute these ideas. So if you are among those, then we have you covered. We have a full-fledged courses on how you can build a global business while staying in village. We have courses on life skills, career building courses, then we have personal branding courses among many other such courses. For this, you will have to download the Financial Freedom app right now. If you like this video, then please do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com. Be wise and get rich.